Dang, boy. Hang on. That's odd. Nobody cutting hair. Yeah. No, that's not like booty talk. Oh, should I find one of my DVDs? Uh-oh. No, there ain't no... Hold on. Nia.
What?
Girl, like you done caught the fountain of youth or something. What is... You couldn't wait for me?
No.
Dang. This is... I mean, it's nasty, but I like it. Well, girl, I just got home. Can you give me a moment? Because we can go and finish up. You got it all on the couch.
I'm done.
How long you been in here?
I don't know. I wasn't timing myself.
Why you didn't call me, girl? I could have came home earlier.
I didn't need you to come home.
You ain't, obviously. You trying to drive me or something. Girl, you out here waiting up the whole office. And what you doing in the office?
Privacy. In
Privacy.
case you came home and I didn't think you was going to come over my way.
So you just gonna wet up our office furniture and wet me up at the same time? Jesus Christ.
It's okay, Sherman.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you're doing a lot of stuff you ain't done in a long time. You know, you doing splits and now you got waterfalls coming out yourself like a Niagara Falls and stuff.
I told you my youth was coming back.
You ain't lying, girl. Shoot. Let me go get me a bottle of Ensure. I'll be back up here in a minute.
You being stingy with yourself, so I have to handle my own business, Sherman.
Well, listen, I'm here now. As soon as I come up from underwater, I'm gonna be ready for you, girl. I ain't gonna I ain't gonna deprive you no more.
Okay, well, I appreciate it.
You almost you must have been backed up.
Yeah.
That was a gusher.
You say?
Jesus. All right now. Real warm too. You know, it's like you've been keeping that like insulated for a while.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be ice cold.
No, it sure ain't. It sure wasn't. Now, you ain't supposed to tighten it up now. You like trying to be all cute and shy. You done let loose now. I see what we talking about, girl. I'm glad I'm ready for you now. You know, I'm here too. We done got over that little situation. You said you ready. I think, you gonna, kind of revitalize yourself.
I just released, so we have to wait.
All right, well, cool. I'll be back in about like 5 or 6 minutes. You think you be ready?
Oh, I'm sorry.
What you laughing about?
I'm good.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
You know, it ain't like you to be denying me too much, but all right, I guess you're all right, but I'm gonna have to be keeping temperature on you or something. Girl, are you going through a change?
No.
Girl, you squirting out here like Moby Dick, girl. I don't know. Well, maybe I need to not say that word.
Yeah, okay.
Look at you. I can't even be mad. I'm kind of happy. You out here taking care of yourself. I guess less work for me, but I'm still gonna help out a little bit.
Okay, I'm good.
You good? Squirting all over the place.